going on, guys? So we're out here at my neighbor's pond today. First time me and Jamie have been here this year together. So we're doing a little bit different video for y'all today. We're using Venom Ned rigs. They're the Ned shots of theirs. Yep, there you go. That one's the green with the purple flake, and this one is their smoky purple color. So we both have those on spinning reels, and then we're also throwing on a bait caster. We both have rattle traps on. We're just doing most fish wins. It doesn't matter what you catch them on, but you have both those options. We're going to do a 30-minute time limit. Most fish caught wins. So, you ready to get after it?
Sure.
All right, man. Let's get it. All right. Rattle trap and Ned rig. Me versus Jamie. Most fish wins. You ready to go? All right. Timer starts now.
I'm curious to see if we can catch any freaking like bluegill on this.
That's a pretty good one. Number one.
Numero uno.
On the Ned rig.
I gotta swap this.
Yikes. It's a little too close. Oh, I ran it right over top of one. There he is, too. That's pulling decent. Yeah.
Bad.
I barely had him, dude. Oh. Right on a bank. Hold still, you turd. You hit that right at the bank on that darn rattle.
Pulling like a champ. Oh, now I got a mud monster.
Number one.
Numero uno.
There you go. Number two.
What's that? I game.
4 to 4.
Number 4.
Number 5. And he takes the lead. All right, Jamie just caught 6. I have 4. It's only a few minutes left. I went and tightened that rig on because it's too shallow where I'm throwing this rattle trap. So hopefully it paid off. Well, time's up. I got one on. That's gonna put me at 5, but Jamie has 6, so he's gonna get the dub. That's a good one there. Well, ended on a really good one, but wasn't enough. Jamie was able to seal the deal. So, ended up being 5 to 6. We both missed several fish though, so it is what it is. Jamie got the dub. All right, well, we didn't catch near as many as we really thought we would because we fished for a second before we even started the video, and I had one. He already had 3 in like 5 minutes. So we figured we'd catch more than that, but it is what it is. They kind of shut down when the sun came out, but Jamie ended up with the dub. He had 6 fish. I ended up with 5. So yeah, pretty cool. But we do have a really cool idea for a video back here, which was Jamie's idea. So you want to explain that real quick, what you thought we'd do?
We sitting there trying to come up with different ideas. Just, you know, whatever's in your tackle bag, if you can get a fish on it, you get a point.
Yeah.
So different bait is a point.
Yeah. So pretty much as many as you, like you would put a snap swivel or something like that on it, and as many baits as you can blaze through and catch a fish, each bait you get is a point. And you just keep going through your tackle bag until the timer goes up, which is going to be intense. Because, I mean, top water comes into play,
Yeah.
Spinners,
Just leave it open, you know.
Yeah.
Just different color, it could be the same thing.
Yeah.
Just different color, whatever.
Yep. Just whatever
soft plastics.
Right. And it's whatever you want to throw. There's no rules as far as like, oh, we both have to throw a wacky rig at some point, or we both have to. No, it's whatever you want to throw. As many baits as you can knock out, that's it. So next time we come back here, it's going to be a shootout. That's going to be a really cool one.
I'm just going to clear out the MEPS shelf.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, the MEPS and the Ned rigs, we'll just go right ahead and knock all that out, all the different colors and stuff.
32 points, and all he uses is a rooster tail.
Yeah, well, I got 32 different colors, so. But anyways, yeah, so Jamie got the win today, but it was pretty cool. We hadn't both been back here in a while, so it was good to see how the pond was doing. It's really clear, really nice to fish in, so next time we come back here, it's going to be real interesting. So anyways, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see y'all later.